Hello, my people. I'm not there from Untouchable Mama. Long time. Also, not day fine. Eh? Also, not day fine. It don't take. I just say me I just show. This video where I put yesterday. Many comments they come out. Because me I get the audio, as I put the video, but I no fit put the audio, so I just say okay today may I make sure say una still lis ten to the audio, because say many people no know wetin dey go on, they no understand am. Normally you no know wetin dey go on, you fit dey insult the man or dey insult the woman because you no understand the video. So my brothers and sisters, I want just do am short now. No say I no dey too much dey take for online like that. I just want me I just show now. Me I just see people wey, because some people don dey cause theirself for my page for there, which I not like. Even some even tell me say remove the video. Me I tell una, not be me do the video, not be me put am for social media. You understand? If I see something, I go still put am for my page. Say people, maybe some people there wey go still get interest, may still watch am, see wetin dey go on. You understand? So some people they no dey use their sense. I don't know why. No mean say na me go post am. Na person shoot am out. So say anything wey e go for social media, na go e dey go. If this one see am, because you no fit tell me say make I remove am. How many person you fit tell say make they remove the video? E go viral. So before you know it, you no blame anybody, because na person na post am out. So my brothers and sisters, me I not take una time too much. So me I just play the audio for una, because as I get am yesterday, but now leave the video, I say me I just put. But some people no understand wetin dey go on, and I go still talk my opinion. Now understand? I know say me I no dey like, even though say you see your wife or your husband with another person, so they fight am. That one not be the issue. So by this one, I'm gonna first listen, then una still understand wetin dey go on. Because now wetin the man know, the woman know, you understand? Be like say this man wey dey this picture, so e don dey disturb that woman for time. Say some men dey you go know say you get husband. You go know say you get pikin, you get husband. You go still dey tell you say not me na just because I say I love you, na just because I say I like you. If e never happen to you, e no mean say no dey happen. E dey happen. Some men wey just know say say you write am for your Facebook say you marry, e go still dey say baby this one, that kind thing. Some men they no even know wetin dey do there, whether they no get brain. Many girls dey wey dey find boyfriend, they no get, they be single, but you dey want that one wey don dey husband as you want comot am for there, which is very bad. Una first lis ten to the audio. Some of una maybe some people don still see am well, but as the something just dey hot for my page for there, because some that's okay. Me I play am, me I just play am. Una lis ten. They come here.
Hello, Pa. Hello, my dear. Now our landlord na come. Okay.
Wait till they call you. Call it. I will block you now if you not take your time. I don't warn you yesterday. And they confess me. I felt with this boy. I don't warn you yesterday. May you respect yourself. I they block well. Maybe you never know. I know they support anything. I know they support any evil. Maybe you don't know me well when I make you they talk like that. Respect yourself, otherwise this one go be the last comment. I not get time. I not get time. You understand? This one are set up. Yes, now set up. More fair listing. Because as me say understand, as I tell listing, the woman in with your husband know what they go on. Maybe the woman tell and say this man they disturb. No, say some women then I go say this man they disturb me. I don't know what I do. I don't tell and say I get husband. You know 1 year. Your husband say you sure? You sure? Go say yes now. That's why they call me. That's why they do this one. Go say okay, maybe we record down. Okay, tell her like this, tell her now. Now set up. Yes, but the man, if I know say the woman he know say the woman get husband. So just respect yourself for them. May not let me block you, because I don't get time for nonsense. I know they support evil. People know say I know they support evil. You understand? To beat person, me I don't they talk. Even though say you see your wife, see your husband, see your this one, not beat anybody. This one was set up, then set her up because the man no say the woman he get children, he get husband, he still they push his head for his side. Now you go see what he go see for them. So before you go talk, you fair listing. So no just make any comment again, otherwise I'll just block you.
Hello, Pa.
Hello, my dear.
Now our landlord na come.
Okay. So,
Yo.
No, no vex, so I saw it big, not loud.
No be he can't ask he can't check he has now. As he can't check, so he just dey knock for everybody door.
okay. So,
Yo.
which floor not which floor?
And we did the last floor.
Oh.
Yo.
Only not the apartment for up there.
Only will. Until now the apartment not too big.
For the top. Lift not at the house. Lift not the
Lift not there on a step.
door.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Madam eat.
We never to tell when we wake, we just dey wake.
We don't eat since we know they take that money for totally.
Yeah, me not dey chop money because they turn belle.
It is not really.
Mm.
Not they told me for the day.
Yeah.
I don't know where I think you can't greet you. I think this evening can't greet you.
And this we did there now, definitely. But I don't know whether my husband brother will come because me no want me they see you. Me no want me they know say I dey talk to person.
I know. Also, me still being outside, me still feeling. I was still from nobody just, I still come and still come. If not still safe, I feel sleep. Nobody go know before I come on, nobody go know.
So now we did the up.
Yeah, please, I come. I'll pay something come for you now.
I don't know whether my husband brother will come today because he called me yesterday evening. Say if he come today, if he come tomorrow. So if I wait not till evening, say he not come, I'll call you. May you come.
You go test that call now. You go test that call now. Ask her whether you go come.
You know, say I don't get like a bonus.
Like
It not be like I in they use.
What did you use?
Now when did they use?
Okay. I'll call you later. I'll give you €5 card.
Okay, no problem, sir. Thank you.
Please take one.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, okay.
I'll give you €5 card later. I'll call you.
Okay, thank you very much.
So I come down just now.
Okay.
I'll go buy €5 card for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
I'll come if I may come sit there. I'll give you better money where you would like.
I would like a way where I go appreciate them.
We go give you better money. I made the promise you so.
Okay.
So this time my person not to go off everybody money not give it to anybody. You feel free make I come there.
You say?
Yeah, if you feel free make I come there, come sleep.
Why
I'll
not?
give you better money. I'll give you better money. I'll come wash plate for you well. And they wash plate too.
Really?
And they wash plate. I'll come wash plate for you well.
You see, we go all good then.
You like how?
Well.
You will come wash plate for you well. You know how to wash plate?
Me, I no sabi.
You need to wash well for woman. You'll make I wash plate for you.
Why not? Why I no agree?
I like how you can wash plate for you. I don't know better you. How many years you don't stay for Europe now?
Not 3 years.
3 years, okay. 3 years, you don't know how money they wash plate for woman.
I don't know. I never see her before.
You know what?
No.
So you don't agree make I wash plate for you now?
If you good, I'll agree.
Good. So to wash plate for woman, me I tell you one thing. Me I explain to you whether you don't know.
Okay.
It's supposed to know and if the woman. But you don't know.
I don't know.
The husband never wash plate for you before. Like that woman the friend will never come for her.
You know, say me and I will not too take for friend.
Before you take him.
That's just pay money for my head.
So you don't put money for your head. Why you put money for the bad price for another person protection?
I know this thing, you're weak me. This thing you tell me, you weak me.
Not let her with you because he's supposed to talk nonsense. Because when we see her on Facebook, I could see my bad friend. And they take picture like that too. Yes, sir. For sure, oh no. Yes, sir. Because I still ask my brother. But I think you tell me see her with your wife, not your wife. Your friend when you send me to me, I go carry back for her. See her with your wife. You tell me everything. You hear me?
And they hear you.
Why they go? Why they say you know for you?
You know, say I know the Facebook, I know the WhatsApp.
Okay, sure. My name maybe you know they catch you mumu. They catch you mumu. They catch you mumu there. You know.
You.
So maybe don't be tired for you. Don't be tired for you.
Now what?
Tomorrow now yourself say they carry your wife they come from that side before you go know it don't need. But carry your wife with the Nigeria come. Before you know it don't need. But you want to take you come on, no go Germany or Spain.
Okay.
Follow me.
I don't want to go though. Don't want to go, but where I will go keep my children?
So back they follow body now. Government could pay you through your children, pay you everything.
Go good though. But they say we no get belly, no they go Germany.
I mean, no lie. So I follow you. You say now maybe your husband.
I don't want to go good pass.
One change location. That's all now.
Good. Don't want
Maybe
just
your husband
good.
that time. No, don't let anybody know.
No.
You know.
Let me kind of tell you so. Say I will need to call my husband brother to know when they come today. If you know they come, so that you will come.
Not tell anybody. Don't let anybody know what you they talk about.
No, I be small picking.
If road don't clear now, the road don't clear now. You would see the door open border.
Oh, better go.
We'll come out, carry tickets, everybody, nobody will know. It's for this station, buy ticket.
If to say we will even fit go today, sir, because me when you come out.
No, they don't close border. They don't close border,
Okay.
border, no place to come out now. Italo, New Europe close border.
You will still come this evening if I call you.
Yeah, why? Even though not night, I will come.
You be say you want to emphasize on the wash plate because me I don't know what it be wash plate.
Yeah, I will suck your daughter night.
Ah.
I be washing off the after the day call out. You know they talk.
I mean no.
After the day talk out. I don't be washing off. I don't be clean now. My head be back.
No be le. And you say it's a view where? You say it's a view where?
Where? I'll finish washing it for you. Where now? I love you. I don't like your voice. I don't like the way they do things. The way they do things. I don't like them.
Thank you.
I don't like them.
Since I come now, only my husband they tell me say he like me. Another person never tell me.
I like you as your husband. You should like it. Like you like good marry for now.
He say he love me.
Now me love you pass. He no love you. If he love you, no people marriage on you. You don't be as that two children. You go the that two children. This thing could do marry another wife for us. Now me love you pass. I will take you come off for here. We go for another country. To first go stay for another country.
I better not disappoint me. Oh, that gem in my mind, I don't put on.
Lie. I'm not fit. I get friends, get everything there. Where they make I see the way they make me for you.
Okay, I don't put my mind already.
I know.
My mind don't did there now.
Let me put my mind. Try to call me this evening, yes?
And so the card so that I'll fit to call my husband, brother.
I'll call you later now, make I give you, yeah?
Okay, now no problem.
Around that time, 1, 2, just now, I'll call you.
Okay, now no problem. Alright.
My dear, I love you.
Okay. Alright now. Okay, bye-bye.
I love you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, my people. So na don hear. Now even yes, say the husband even dead there. Now set up. That one not true. Now set up. But this one, now lesson to all men. Me, I did now my opinion be this one. Some men they you know say okay, this woman even they tell her my husband, my brother husband, my this one, my brother this one. You know say the man they the woman they husband house. Wait till they go they put your head for there. Why you continue? Because this one not me I believe say this one not be the first audio when then they do. Because then you know say some men they even you know say you get husband. He head go see they there, go see they talk to you. You know me nah, he not do this one nah, he not do that one nah. Now make all this one come out because me I know say they bitter and not be say I like and say they bitter. But he deserve now what he needs, now what he wants. You understand? Since una don't even hear what they talk, una don't even listen. He say, "May I come your house? You want go see woman? You want go your house? You know say he get husband. Or anything fit happen. Anything fit happen that moment. You can't go your house. You know say unless I be lick plate. You want go wash the plate now. Now plate you can't they wash for them. Now listen to all men. When you know say woman don't get husband for house, you go see the shook head for them. The husband of the girl they there. Una hear the last this thing when they talk for them. Wait, come talk say wait till I go do this man now. You understand? Because now what did they happen? Some men go just there. You go just know the family say in with the man. They get they still there together. Now make my waiting, you know say some men they now they talk just now say some men they. If you tell and say you know say not be all women go just say you just tell and say hello how are you fine lady or this one you know just attack you say I bet they go I don't marry you no he go tell you say bros thank you you know some men now with that their brain now he go they want make they go more and more that one go tell and say I bet go now husband aside they he go say I know me now maybe they talk now you know say they happen. You know say because person just call you just attack and say I better not come here again now as much as I do because some people still they even they talk to they talk to each other. You know me say he want just take you come up for husband house. He go say okay may we be friends. Some people go see accept and like me I know they accept and I know you accept it yeah because I know the brain of men they go just before you know anything you go change nah. I know say oh not be the same but most of them they are like that. So what me believe as I tell listen to that audio, the woman with the husband, they set her up. Say, so this man not the fear. You still tell her say you get husband. You see they call you, you see they tell you everything. No worry. Tell her say may he come. Tell her may he come. Let that man really go there. You want you know say now more you want really go now. You want go see woman. Wait tell you say you get husband. When you know say you get husband, you go their house. You go their house. It happened for Italy, bro. You got their house. So I just play the audio because of I put the video. Many people don't understand. Say what they go on. If this thing they happen, both if they happen for men's side, now so you see they happen for women's side. So if it never happen to you, not all say this kind of thing not fit happen. Na lie, na this one, this and that. Una hear the man even know say get children. Now they hear children voice for them. I go carry you go Germany. Person way you know say you get why you not go friend and other people? Why you person way they way be single? Now set up now make am now because now the record and the man they there, the woman husband still they there. Una no hear am for the last this thing. Wait till I go do this man now. Una no hear am. Me una rewatch am again. Because maybe don't say where they disturb the woman. If they happen, mona I beg, mona listen. If they happen, so may they if you like that woman and you know say it there with man, you go want may you still go there. Now wait till they see now be this one. You say how can a man be a friend with woman? You know waiting, me I know the time when me that time when me small, me I just talk say that time where I did small, Now boys, let me they be my friends. You understand? I they make friends well with boys. You understand? Because we are all one. Not be say I not get for friends so, but when a woman will come marry, you I don't know as I talk you there your lane. You understand? No mean say me man call you, may you just answer and say, I beg go, no come here again, I be married woman. No attack person like that. Like me, I know they attack person like that. You feel just call me, say hello, how are you? I say fine. But if I just say you don't they come out you for your lane, I go kukuma block you. I not get time. You understand? But the woman, maybe they know, maybe this man where did this picture, so he know that family very well. You understand? He know them. But he need that woman. He need that because he not care again whether the woman get husband or not get husband. Only the beating now pity for her because for me not to beat her, make clean I think say one can wash plate, make can wash everywhere, make clean even everything we dey for the house, go clean and then say make clean and they clean everywhere. Single girls there outside. Single girls there outside. You not go friend that one. You not go see that one. Now the one where you carry pikin, where you want carry go Germany, where you carry and reach them for there now, you go frustrate and leave her for there. Eh? I better forget that thing. Now you go see and say you go may go for lawyer, this and that. Now you carry a leg go their house. What you go find for there? Eh? What you go find for there? Not be so lawyer not the judge like that say you just carry a hand. Lawyer, you know what he did. No, what you go find for there? You know say they marry. See what you they talk. You want carry and go Germany. Not be so lawyer tell the judge. Now you carry himself go there. So not be all this one. So lawyer they know they don't they carry case like that. You just say I go win. Only that beating. It's normal. Person where wife where they talk to your wife and you know say before man go raise his hand for you. Where go raise his hand. You know they even they think twice. So now your wife now will they talk about so. So maybe they even they think and I know say men waiting where they are ample where then they eat. They no want me another person even near them. Talking to say you're going to tell them say you go wash her, you go carry and go this and you go carry and go that one. So as the man come and I the fair give her one dirty slap may know what they go and say next time may not go to woman we marry. So my brothers and sisters, now this one me I see. So for other people. What did they call you, Johnson? Maybe you know waiting. If you listen, you know say now something, not be something where just happen that moment, Not be something where happen. You know say some women dey, Not the way not they tell the husband. Even though say man shake her for outside, if you reach, I go say, darling, see one man like this, so he greet me like this, so he touch me like this, so he do this like this, so he must talk. You understand? This one na set up. I see the talk and na set up. This man, you know the family. They know their self. Even the way when they talk, say you go know, say they know their self. You understand? So any man where they do like that, I bet more than withdraw because una go receive, Una go receive. Because man no want make person they near a wife. You go maybe the woman first tell you say, this thing, even tell and say my husband brother go come. May I come na house, even though say na night I go come. You want go there, no say you go receive, go receive beating. You go receive now. Now normal thing now. Even happy say they not break a leg. What you want go do for there? If you even don't say go meet lawyer, what you go find for there? What you go find? And they'll call listening to waiting that they talk. You want go wash plate, you go do one like this. Woman, wait, get husband. I love you. I don't they love you. I don't know, Sha. Some people they don't even get sense. Many girls there for outside. Una not go look them. So my brothers and sisters, because no be say your girl waiting I will to talk like this. This one to make sense, Who then go blame? I made them blame themselves. Make the man blame himself. Where? Now so me I they talk my own. Blame yourself. Woman where don't marry, not go near her. If you just tell you say I get husband, or you even know self, carry your body come up for there. May you not go receive what you not go receive. You don't know, no, say many women, they go, they tell me, say, I don't, they tell you, leave me for waste. I say, I get husband, you know 1 year. 1 day, women, you know that it's there now. And because of say many people know they talk, come on, they go say, this man, you don't take where you don't disturb me with your phone. You go block her, you go use another phone till they call, and I never see that kind of thing. It's there, not be say not there. It they happen. It be so now, I know what kind back in yaho. It's there, Then go say, okay, wait till I go do this man. Now, since you know why use your brain, they go set her up. e dey. So make we know, if it no happen to you, no mean say it no happen to another person. This thing dey exist. So many men, mona be careful. If woman just tell you say I no get interest, I beg la wo, leave her for waste, otherwise you go receive the number be there, but I no want it like that. No verse. No verse. I no want it like that. So I want just finish her now. Maybe next time if I dey talk, you understand. Sanyende, Austin, no verse, The number dey Facebook for them, but if you call her now, e dey for his house. Me, I dey outside, you understand? So no just verse. Maybe we for still talk little. You know, say I no want disturb now. Even though say the man go report, wetin he wan go report? No, say me, I don't know as I take talk am. Even though say the man go report, say okay, then set me up. All this thing wey they talk, wey this recording, how you want to defend yourself? Now you talk say you go come in house, you go wash plate for her, you go carry and go Germany. No, because lawyer not just they carry something they talk like that too. Now wait till you use the man talk. Okay, you want come out for husband house. Now they go ask you. You know say you marry, go say yes. Have you not know? So my brothers and sisters, me I just end up for here because you know say I don't want, and if I dey recommit, I'll come the. So me I just leave on like that. Now because of many people there, where the woman give the man her number. You don't know now they talk say now set up. Why he give her the number? He with your husband don't talk and say this man I go show him pepper. No, if you listen to the video, the audio, not be today. Now they start to the talk. You know, say person where you with and don't they talk. Una no just start today with that audio now. You understand? Maybe the man don't they listen, go say, okay, you know what it go happen. You know, say, okay, me I just say, for example, now. This man where did this picture. May I believe, say, he know the family of that woman where they talk to. You understand? And that one not true. Say the police go just because of waiting they beat her. But now something they cause her now. You understand? You know if you go meet talk like say Percy beat me. They go find all the person, but they can't find that to say waiting cause that reaction. Now so now. Waiting cause that reaction. They not say person just see you go just beat you. Now something cause her now. So that make me if I talk sometimes I'll talk and maybe you not feel understand. If she get that one, she feel bring and come out. You understand? Even though me go me talk about like say all these people they just gather, they beat me. They go ask you, say what you do? You say you not do anything. When they'll come find that, say you do something. They will come find that now because Ogbalegbe must ask what they go on. You understand? Because now something they cause something. You know, see person just the waka they go. You just go beat and you not know her before. So my brothers and sisters, so if someone I call him, but I no feel shout. So yet it I just because of people where they from my page, those one where see, no say for this page now, some of them they cause themselves, they insult themselves with this one. I just say me I bring the audio comment because I get and they send that can't give me. But I know if you put on yesterday now, so okay, me I do. I'm gonna still listening to what they go on. Me I not say I happy say they big the man, as they take and take work, so good. He said the woman I still there outside. As you like, may you talk on. If you still there, if you not still there, but you know, say wait till be set up, now be set up. Wait till be set up, now be set up. Maybe the woman I not there outside, But now that woman where go see something, you know fit keep her, he must tell the husband. Your husband will say, okay, now so it they happen, go say yes. Not be everybody some women there, even though separate tell and say this one or that one, if you reach us, you go tell your husband. You understand? Not be all women where they talk to your husband and your eye still there outside. No. Police people don't want to see blood. They don't want to see blood, but if you can't turn to husband and wife, they want to see blood. I'm not going to tell you so. Because waiting they don't tie together, not go there, make you go separate them. You understand? So because if they come to say, okay, you know, say they marry, you want to go destroy them. You go come carry yourself. You will go talk say Ogbalegbe can't help me. You go put yourself for a side problem. We are talking about husband and wife, not be say boyfriend and girlfriend, eh? And you even go their house, their matrimonial house. You even go there. What you go find for there? Eh? You go give her food, that be you go buy something, you can't give her. They call you for there. All these things, eh? All these things make with the make some men, they make the man blame himself. For me, make the man blame himself. Next time, not try am. If woman tell you, say, I get husband, just run. They run, they go. Because single women, then they outside, they not even see person where want toast them. But all this man now, what this one now, they go they look for women where don't marry, where they want toast. Eh? Now the man even talk and say, this man, what I go do now? Eh? No say man, they not they take that nonsense. Go say, oh my wife, and you even know us, so you want you know say some men there, they go know that family well just because of say brain don't tell and say this woman you like her. You know, he brain not go come up for there, but you know say they husband, you want come out for there, you want still chop your own for there, which is very bad. Eh? So my brothers and sisters, may I leave una for today. I just say may I just bring am because the city woman wants the husband. Call Liz, the husband, you say they take law into their hand. And once if they do you, how you go do, my brother? May we just talk on that. If they do unto you, how you go see am? Your own wife, not be saying that your girlfriend though. We know you, person we know you go they toast am. How you go feel? You know, say people where they talk like this, like you now say they take law into their hand. You know, say before man go, we they talk about your own wife. Before man go break your head, you know, because of all these things. And you know, see what he talk for there. He want wash plate, he want do this one. He want carry and go Germany. So maybe they even they think about what the other side go feel. Eh? You the type person where you know you know now. If person do unto you, call it, you go like and you know take law. First of all, you go take law into your hand. Even though say you want to say sorry, you first do that one first. Now normal thing. Now normal thing, Abi you don't see man where he see, because me I see the talk and say, me person if you see your wife, no, but now normal thing, now the I don't know as I take talk and now the pepper body. You go first for first, give her first. You go first of all give her first. You go first of all give her first before you come. Even don't say they want carry you go prison first. You know say you don't first give her. Now normal thing. So as they use and take work, it good. Next time you not go try am again. You know say many men like this, then they do am. Then they do am. He go see single woman, not go like am. Now the one where they husband ass, now go like. Now you go like. You go they tell now, you go find the one now say, carry your body go one corner. If my husband hear these things. Say the woman get the man. Anyone where you talk, say you get them for mind. Anyone. But remember something. If you want make okay, this one a set up. I don't feel tell una say na set up. You know say if you want set a person up, you know my or you even tell and say that's why I need you, that's why I do this one. You know what you they do. Because you don't feel one now. Since you no one here. Say now what you need now that thing where you say you need now you need. Call it and now come. Now the woman do. You understand? The man say I don't they love you. You hear say the woman say I love you too. He say okay. Because they know what they do. So now the man ain't supposed to get sense. He no can get. Say me married woman start shower. That one another topic. No, say you understand. If married women they do a shower, that one another thing. They disgrace themselves, you understand. But this one now where is it down? You tell am say even though say na night you say me I take come, I go come. You know see say the man even the brain even turn upside down. Person wey get husband, you say you want go meet am for inside house, inside their own house, so they go do am to you know. Yeah, I believe say the woman don dey talk to her, no be say this one na it be the recording, don dey talk to her. You understand? You know say when you dey tell person say abeg, all this thing wey dey do, I no like am. I go report you. You go say, now you go report me now. No worry, I go give you money now. I go do this one now. I go do the other one now. You understand? You know say many things dey. Then when you go come tell your husband will come say, okay, talk to her. Your husband dey near there. Mona listen to the last this thing. Your husband dey near there. He said, this man now, wetin I go do now? Now the man talk last. Be one hide go wash plates. You not see am. Now these people, now this kind of men, okay, like say, okay, the woman now just say, okay, me I just mumu follow am. You go really mumu follow am, go follow am, go carry am go Germany. You know say am say you go carry am go Germany. When you go carry am reach there, now go frustrate am for there. Single girl, they una no go carry. Una no go carry. Now they find the one way don't settle down. Now one remove am for there, withdraw and come out for there. Say your husband no good, come now you can good pass. So my brothers and sisters, all these things they happen, even for Facebook. Person go just dey write to you, go tell am say, you no see my Facebook for there. Say I write am say I'm a married woman. Say single not dey there. He go continue to dey write till you go block am. He go continue to dey write till you go block am. Now wetin man dey see for Ashawo house. I know say everybody get your the single girls get head. Yeah, it alone. My people, me I live una na I bring phone number, me na take call. Me I bring but I don't want me too much. Una one call, me I go bring the tablet come, una, because I be no want me I stay too much. Anybody there where you want call, me I go bring the, but I know say my phone number there. Why she get her number? Why she get her number? That one we go come ask. Why she can't get her number? I don't know as some people say the reason. Okay. I don't know what I will vote. If na Nigeria by this time. Oh. At you know. If na Nigeria really, you know now. You not know. Say I don't know what ya. They not even touch her like that, safe. You know safe na home now. Now know what go they go on. But me, I know say make they beat person. But now the pepper body, you understand? Because you know, just say the man really come your whole house, the house where you dey sleep, he really come there. He really come there. You know, even fear. You understand? So why the man not go do something? He must do something now. See, make I tell you, you go report. I don't even know the country where you would dey safe. May I tell you, not be crime. Colleagues, not be crime to talk to man. We marry or we not marry. Not be crime, Even though say you go report am to police, say this man they toast my wife, they're not gonna even tell you anything. What did they go tell you? Not be crime to talk to person, Now when the man come, they go more. You understand? Even though, okay, I just go tell Ogbalegbe now, say, you know what, my husband go tell Ogbalegbe, say, person they call my wife, if they toast her. What you say me Ogbalegbe can't do for them? The WhatsApp number, wait me, I go bring and confess. The number there for my page for there. Me I fair bring am. But we not tell if you just want, if not only 2 or 3. And they come here and bring am first. Whether the battery not run down. I'm gonna wait till they come. Hello, my people. The number dead there. The number dead there. It's there for Facebook for there. There for that page for there. Tina, I know the number now. The number dead there. I know if me I see where that go feel. That is +34 631 2529. Sorry. +34 631 472529. That one our WhatsApp number. Even there self, even there for page for there. You understand? So you know everybody get their opinion. Me I get my own. You get your own. Something fit happen. And untouchable mama, they know they see your face now. It no matter. It no matter. Now only audio. Now radio now. You know, not today you know me. Now radio. Now your WhatsApp number. Yeah, now the WhatsApp number. It no matter. So far me they hear what I they talk. Maybe one day when I'll see my face, I just decide like that. You understand? The day where I go. The day where I go still show my face, I will see me. You understand? So some men make them idea, make them go find single women. E many, not be the one where person don't put for us. Now your eye go come day. Because if your eye day, you go receive something where you not expect. So it good make we dey tell ourselves truth. Because this one now, not be say I don't fair hear the audio where the fair record. No, but now this one I mean I listen. Because as I say listen, not be today they start to the talk. You understand? You know, say some women they no one put you for problem. Go tell you say I don't get husband bro. I don't get husband beg. May you do your own. Because not be say person you ask you phone number now. Okay, you go just ask you phone number. You say I not fit give you a girl husband. You don't know what he want tell you. You understand? You know, just attack her like that. You know, attack and say I get husband, I not fit give you my phone number. Maybe he wants to greet you. Maybe he want ask you something. Say, sister, I be need help. I be do this one. You know. So some people they attack like that. I don't know whether they happen. Na coronavirus cause everybody. May I leave una. I just say I just share the audio. No, na still listening. Colleague say yes, but I have to report him first. If you report her, now the same thing we still they talk. Now say colleagues, you where they talk now, say you go for report her. Person like you, now they do worse past. You know even you will break your head before Ogbalegbe go come. Now the truth they talk, so you not be man you be. Now man you be now. And me I never see man where go see his wife say even they cheat on even though say this one has set up self. I never see go say thank you my wife you do well. He go fair the waiting they go do the man not be small thing. So maybe they talk truth. This one know the family well. He know them well. Even though say and this one now this one until they make whether he pay the bride price, I don't even know. Even though he not pay, even though he pay, but he there with him for his house. He there with him for his house. He not pay today. Go if he go pay tomorrow. And they get children. So all this one. Even some of them where they even pay their where they even go put money for their head self. So now even the worst pass. So you go no say they put money for your head, go they do what you're not supposed to do. The one where they not put money for your head, it go good pass. So don't be that one. Now depends of character, depends of person. Now that one I know. Now you will ask me that question now I reply to. Some women not there where they put money for a head, where you get 2 husbands. You know there. It there now. So not be that one. Depends of person. Now me and they talk. Even to pay, say you go put money for head or you not go put money for head. So women they're not even married themselves. Then they with their husband. They never put ring for hand. But if you see a very responsible woman, but the one some day where they put money for your head, they go they do nyama nyama they go. So that one not mean anything. Depends of you. Hello. Hello. I don't hear you. Hello. I don't hear. I don't hear you, so I don't drop that one. So now, so my people, you understand? Now so. The man know. You understand? The man know say he married Juliet. The man know. He know. He even know the family. You understand? He even know the family. You not see the way when the man they talk. Okay. I pick am. You call me, I pick am, but you not talk now. They say hello. I pick am. Now understand, my brothers and sisters. So any man, now know say they pay. Now you they ask me, what say they call you? Whether, madam, are you married? Of course, you know the time. Don't tell where I marry. Oh. That means you don't know me now. You don't tell. How old are you, Seth? Hello. Nigeria call. Hello. You know they hear me, but me, I know they hear you. It's a way.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, hey, I don't hear you.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Yeah, good. Please, I'm really sorry. I know you might be experiencing network difficulty because so many people will be trying to call you, you understand?
Yeah.
So nevertheless, what I'm trying to tell you is this, that very woman, what she did is wrong. I don't know if you understand.
Okay.
See, when you want to handle somebody, you understand? When you want to handle somebody or you want to cut that person right-handed, you must have have a different have some different things that you know that you can bring out, you understand, for the world to know that before you did what she did, so like you've been avoiding this person, or you and the person have become, you have come across him so many times, and you have used such word like I'm a married woman, you understand, so many times for the man. But like what just happened, it was one conversation between the woman and the man, and all of a sudden, and that kind of thing happened, you understand. See, let me tell you one thing that you need to know. Every woman nowadays knew that it takes the grace of God for we to see woman nakedness and overcome it. I don't know if you understand. Now, who might have known what that woman might have been doing in her secret part, that man that approached her might have been seen already, which her husband did not know. You can't just expect a man to just go and be approaching a married woman. You understand? Without saying something.
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, I understand what you are saying.
So that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
I understand what you are
I'm
saying.
hearing you.
You know what? You know waiting. You know say some like this one. I not to know everything finish. You understand? And the one where I receive now they talk so. But as I say listening, not be the first. It be like say not be the first time where they talk. You understand?
Yes.
So maybe the woman don't they tell and say stay your lane. The man not go hear. You know say some men they like that now. Then get ear, they know they use until they ear. Till when go see what he is supposed to see, go say like I don't know. Because the man was aware, now set up now. The husband was aware.
Excuse Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, I heard what you'll be trying to explain things for we to understand. I don't know if you understand. What I'm saying is that the woman only just brought one evidence, which is the last conversation before the beat up, before the man went to the woman's house. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah,
So
that is what she sent out. Maybe she has other recording.
Like that will convince the woman.
I know.
Tried. But think of it, the secret part of that woman.
I know what you are saying, eh? I know what you are saying.
Maybe that man knows the secret part of that woman that makes that man to keep approaching or disturbing that woman. You won't understand.
Yeah.
I don't know if you got it.
Yeah, I know what you are saying, but it's what we the audio that I just play now, eh? That one is what she sent out. Maybe she still have other ones. We don't know. You understand?
I'm hearing.
Maybe she have other audio that she was telling the man, you have to stop all these things. You know, I'm a married woman. You know, maybe she don't even have it, but it's this one that we have that she sent out. You understand? But as for me, that audio not be the first one. Not be the first one, because the way when they talk, even the husband who did there say, okay, wait till I go do this man now. Me I not say as they beat and say they doing well. No. But this one has lesson to all men. How you go woman where get husband? You go in house. You understand what I talk for? Now you go in house. Because now the woman house, now the man go. Why you go there? I say no go there. Now if you not see all these things. I know say some women not good though. I know say some women not good, if they see man, they will want by all means when they use their body till they find the man they go. But this one are set up. The husband know. The husband or the woman know what they know what they go on.
If this one was set up, and let's take it as like yours, you just explain it now. Mind you, I will also advise the woman husband that he should be washing his back. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
Because if he himself is decent, he knew he can overcome woman, then what he did is right. But if you know he cannot overcome woman temptation, he should also wash his back. Because if that man might do one or two things to make sure that this same thing meet the man, the woman husband also.
Yeah.
And if it happens to the woman husband tomorrow, the woman husband will be very, very disastrous. Like seriously.
I understand you,
So the man should also wash his back, because for you to have that kind of thing, taking that man to your toilet to use his hand to wash your toilet, because you cannot even, the man cannot even take let the Lord take his way by reporting the man to the appropriate place. At least there's a security agency there. I don't know if you understand. Okay, let's assume the stress that was in the house along with him, they now beat that man up. The man now died there. Who do you think will go for it?
Of course, I understand. I know.
You would have to report the case to the appropriate court and to the police. And the police will handle the issue. Rather they will find the man. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, I know. I understand you.
So that's my own opinion there. I really appreciate thank God is the word that is listening to every one of us now. But that man should also go and wash his back.
You are right, because
if you happen to approach other girl tomorrow and they meet that man, whether he goes to the girl, he approach the girl properly or improperly, you understand? They will still going to use it against him, because he's already a married man. So whatever you know that they can't do to, don't do to other person outside.
Yeah.
Thank you, my God. Really appreciate
thank you, and thank you for calling. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye. So that one be that to my brothers and I understand what this our brother they talk, because if he be say the woman see the man say he not get interest, if it happen now, as he there for man I say there for woman, if he say I not get interest for this man, you understand? Okay, I go show and pepper. It's still there. That one not true. Say the man made the man they wash it back. That one not true. My brothers and sisters, you know what? Me, I believe, if you be woman, some women there where really they use their body till they find man, is still there. Now some men still there where you know they hear word. You go tell and say, stay your lane, you know 1 year. You understand? Yeah, now be set up. Now set up. I know say now set up now. Now be set up, but hello. Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, good evening. And they hear you, hello. Network. I be there, yeah, oh, but the network don't go. Come back. Hello, I dey hear you now. Me like say your network no good. Oh.
Okay, may I call you back?
Okay, I dey hear now. I dey hear now. I know. Okay. Don't drop and the network no good. So my brothers and okay, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
I hear. Oh, yeah, talk your opinion. I dey hear now because the network no
I
good.
said the woman husband, the get luck, say not be from my city, this one for Apple.
Yeah.
I wish maybe na here. I go for no talk to the woman. I don't go meet the man. What kind of slap when I will give her? You be there when your wife was receiving that call and you did ask her to give you the phone and talk to the man directly.
That be the setup
kind
now.
Of rubbish.
That be the setup now.
They get me so. That make me talk and so say, yeah, I wish maybe na my city. I'll for meet the woman, the man, I go close the man. So that they go start to the judge for me and the man. Then maybe the woman and the other man go just there. They judge me and the husband. I will go for your happen.
Yeah. I understand what you know they talk. Even the yeah. No, the way they beat her, me I know agree, not because not be talk your opinion.
Even the security officer of this country or even Nigeria will not beat that man the way they beat that man. They wipe her for what reason? If you want beat person, either you beat her for hand or for body.
Yeah, not before.
You get me, but not the head. Very important.
You know our people.
I wish maybe the man die for you. I wish maybe the man die for their house or he die when they go house. What did they go talk? Don't say you go sleep with your wife and be with him. He never even sleep with her.
I know.
You get me so. But the things we be say the man back on where and the money we be say that man carry come. That's what we are talking about. If we are talking about something here, we need to be frank and sincere. You get me so? Because if this thing on call, as in for person, as in if this thing on call for person will be take close to me, I know man to take law, me myself. I know man, I wish maybe that man and my brother, I go take law from my hand. I'll go meet the husband, I'll bruise the husband so that he go know say they did best for body. We are there, even the record show that you are there.
I understand.
You get me so?
Yeah. I understand you. Now be the problem where they, you know, say we black now, we Africa. If you want beat person, you know they look anywhere. You just wear your hand, they go now, even a head or na eye. You understand? Now that one not good. Me I know as they beat her, not be say I they happy. No, you understand? But this one I said.
Even you yourself, you know the law. See,
I know now.
Anybody with fair reason.
That one a normal thing.
Anybody with fair reason. Not be as in not of offense. They get me so. You never sleep with you. I just chatting. You get me so. Even if I even record you, you never me say. Even if you see your nakedness, you never sleep with her. It don't concern you. They get me so.
Now the beating I know good.
Don't sleep with her. That be the issue.
Now the beating I know good. Therefore not one. I know.
You understand me?
I understand you now. Your opinion.
That be waiting. And I want to try and talk.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you. Bye bye. I think this one, Destiny. Amaru, you say, me see when. Me I not they defend the woman. You don't understand because she did not behave like a married woman. Now be the setup now. You know they understand what me. I know they defend anybody, even the man, even the woman. Now be the setup. If you want set a person up, you go do like say you know what they go on. You not do like that now. You go do like mumu now where not know what they go on. As you want me to tell you, I no fit talk. I no want shout today. So my brothers and sisters, so now be the setup. If I want set you up now, I go even wait till I know I go do one kind. Me I receive this one, me I finish it. Hello. Hello, you dey hear me?
I hear you, madam.
Talk your opinion, my brother. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Which I just want to contribute for this matter to say. The man just those people, I mean the husband and that wife,
Yes.
they get lost. That's where they miss. Now, person they will be, they will go feel like that. You get some people who do this kind of thing to where they do so. Now, trouble. If the man who carry the gold, he will do something where he will harm them secretly. Because now, if you want to commit down against that man,
Yeah.
that woman not tell me say before he got reach this level, she not get with it to avoid that man. You understand?
Yeah.
That woman not talk. The woman just look for a way, one way or the other, to prove to the world or to prove to her husband. I want she just want to do that. Don't be surprised to say that woman like that man. Maybe not the kind of man we like.
Maybe not talk and come out.
The husband not will know.
You know, talk and come out. I know now. I know. I understand.
So you should not talk and come out. Now because maybe not like the man, you know, maybe you just get what they cannot like the man, and they can keep a man short. They want use and take food to everybody see. You understand? If woman, people they talk say, according to what you talk just now, look here. If you give her a number, you know whether her business or not.
Yes.
I don't believe on that one. You be like say that one. We only try to defend the man, the woman. If the woman not really need them, I don't see women they block man. Since they will see they tell her I don't like her, instead make her the drag her mouth and step on. You go block her. Block her for WhatsApp, block her for direct, block her for anywhere they say they talk. Block her. That one is true. That woman will not say yes. She didn't know what she did. You understand? So you don't connect with your husband and not that. You just want to disgrace the man. Then now people they talk say that I'm married man.
But the man knows the family now.
Before that man do that, that woman must have encouraged him one way or the other. The woman would not encourage him one way or the other. You imagine person you can man no say the husband house. The man will say use the 2 legs waka. Go put that to the husband house when they go meet you. Why will sleep with you there? Maybe reason I don't make sense. It don't make sense now. You understand?
But why the man can't go to their house? Do you understand? The man why the man can't go to the house? You know,
yes, because the woman, you don't even know what they talk with. That's surprised that if you give the man chance now to explain himself better, or make chance they talk, you go discover say that woman I even encourage the man come. If you say the man even know say the woman deals man for house.
You know.
Okay, the man knows say
even when the woman even they tell her say my husband brother say go come to door tomorrow. You understand? Even they tell her say my husband brother saying go come today or tomorrow. I not get kite to call her. Now the man say I go buy you kite, make you take call her, make you for know whether I go come today or tomorrow. You understand?
That one be true. If you say maybe you really know another, but to me I think say it don't make sense when you know say you and the husband house.
You go meet time for us.
Then see your 2 leg waka.
Go the
so
house.
to me it sounds somehow, sha.
Yeah.
Understand? But once we stand up say if that woman will not really maybe just want do the right thing. If you block the man, you understand?
Yeah.
You block her, I'm not a picky coin. You know, normally never suppose when married woman they give out a number to any man. You understand? Maybe not for business. Before you say you give out your number to anybody, you will know.
That one not
true. About business. I don't want to mention and say he come business. That make me give her a number. She not talk anything like that.
No.
Nobody who asks that question now be say how your the man take. If not me be the husband of that man. Now my wife now will fist. I not like you. Because first of all, I go ask her, what do I come to talk reach there before the man come get your number? They can't know your house, they can't trace your house, everything. What do I talk reach there?
Maybe don't say that record
your consolation on the man
that record me believe say not be the first one.
Many of them, they're not good.
I know.
I say insist. Now because that woman don't like that man, now when she just make her just want to do something, they don't say like her, the man for don't know anything about them. You know how claim us, now the part now be that.
I understand you, my brother. Now your opinion. Now your opinion.
This life, man. People say God involved. If that woman the woman really clear for her mind, and she not just want not get the message that man for trouble. That she will go through. But if not be so, she get that mind to say, okay, I have supposed to stop this thing, but I just want to face them. That is the wrath of God. They wait for her for front.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
So that's the other part.
Thank
so
you.
My contribution with that one.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Okay,
bye bye. Yeah. So my brothers and sisters, may we finish up for here. As I just still talk that one, don't still do like that. So now because of those people where they fight for my page for that, you understand? So I just say me I bring and come out. Maybe another audio still there, but I don't know. But now this one I mean get. So as this my brother still talk just now, maybe the woman because they say not like her, so now make her one punition like that. You understand? No, say some women they use their body till they find man. Now so some men still there. You understand now? So no be say I dey join the woman or I dey join the man, you understand? So if person don't marry, come out for there. So my brothers and sisters, I agree to Nana. I bet more sit down for his house because of this thing where they go on. So from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. See you for my next audio. Percy asked me say whether I marry. May I see her? Let me say you don't know me. Don't say Destiny. I don't dey defend any woman. You understand, Destiny? I don't dey defend. If I see something wey no good, na me dey talk and say, oh gie no who go be agie or be yata where this woman, I go enter you. You understand? Now the laugh where you follow my laugh. Now I go say, I go there. That is woman where don't marry, where you know say you don't marry. You get laugh where you go follow my laugh. You understand? So me, I know they say I they defend woman on. Waiting me, I not like for them. Waiting I see for them. I not defend the two of them they go blame themselves. But this one are set up. Which one? No, say if person want set person up now. You go still pretend say you don't know anything. Now so they do the man. The man where me for blame her. You don't know say this woman he marry and he get children. No carry yourself go there at all. Go look for a person where still they single like you. May you carry. Because even to carry a woman where don't still born and still problem for your head. The children they cry for your ear. Jiggy. They're not gonna let you do what you want to do. Even though son want go outside, now the children, you understand? Carry single like you, we're not gonna disturb you. So you will ask me that question whether I marry. Don't tell where I marry. That's why don't marry for 25 years. This is not yesterday, and I still did that till next tomorrow. So now I be that one. So my brothers and sisters, may agree to now. So make the man still blame himself. So you understand? May still blame himself. Make the woman still blame himself. I understand those our brother way call say man because he not get interest for the man. Now me can do that thing. Maybe na still person where they honest. So I don't know. You understand? You know say some women they honest. Where they don't marry, they don't marry. They don't marry. So that beating I mean I not like. So next time this man just hear say person marry if na year more na run come on for there because that man not go you not go in house or may see you with your wife he go they laugh with you or you can't tell you say come here we can't drink beer together you know no man even though say na your ex-wife self you know and I know na me even though say no they marry the woman again na ex the thing they still the pepper and for body say they see you with the ex-wife. So na bye. I agree to now. Bye bye. On a happy Sunday. On a goodbye. See you again. Yeah, not true. Say na set up. Not set up. And he said the man no fear. He go the house. Some men too swear. Now that one ain't no good. Some men not really. Now bye bye my people. You know say we black we different from white. You understand? Our own are to beat. We know the thing say okay me I go report. Now be that one. Now no say we did different. Okay now see you. Now bye bye. Now do well. Gonna know say I know they take. Gonna because of say some people say bring your number come out. They will call. Now make me see me. I just still taste more. So my brothers and sisters, more than not fight again for my page. Some people say me I bring the video down. Bring it down. How many you feel bring down? It don't go everywhere. It don't go everywhere. It's na me the talk. Na me the talk to talk yo. Na me the talk to have been another person. You want to hear my story? You do not marry. I know even to Jeff. I know even talk to you self. Person wey know me, they don't know me. I know. Person wey not married, then they know now. So now they talk. If you not me, I not block you. I dey quit the block for my page. You understand? You they see say they misbehave for social media for them, or I can't they put about that BD for them. I know they do. You understand? My first son na 22 years now one complete. So you dey craze? Huh? I be you know where because you dey hear my voice saying a small, my voice be like small girl. I be your mate. Talk your what you want hear for my body? Huh? And because you say I never see my face, you see my face, you know say now this woman very responsible lady. I don't get that time for nyama. It don't tell where I come this abroad. Huh? That's the way I don't marry since many years ago. Now my husband now I'm married for many years ago. Now I get my 3 children for. Now I still date tomorrow. Not till they come up me for there. Huh? Which one you say make I talk? I don't want me now. All these people now they block for my page. My brothers and sisters, more than no verse, the good one way don't fair know me. I know they take nonsense. You know, say some people they insult themselves on my page. I'll say respect yourself, otherwise I go block you because I don't need that. Many people they cause themselves for there. Huh? Make I talk your own. Bring your own, come make I talk now. Make you bring your own matter, come make I talk. Now what I see, what they send come give me now, I bring come for now. Now my opinion with your own not be the same thing. So even there, I even don't block many people. Oh God, oh, you too funny, oh. Emmanuel, me I hook you up. Me I know the hook person, oh. Me I even talk about this hook up. Like me, make I tell you one thing. At this thing where you just talk come and so, say make I hook you up with a single mother. I know if you do one. I know they show my face. Not worry, one day you will see my face. Thank you, but you know me too much. I love you. You know, see people who know me, they don't know me. For this hook up of a thing where they talk so, do not mind them. For this hook up of a thing, I know if you do one, you know why? Because of my husband. I know if you do one, lie. Even though they talk, as I just take a 3 calls, so my husband and person where they jealous, so I know if you do one. Because to make person say you want hook person up, you go they talk to them now. I know if you do one. Now wait till my husband go allow me now go do. My phone number there for there, there for page for there. Now wait till go allow me now go do. I be person where they responsible, not because I say they talk. If you don't they follow me for 2 years, you know say I know they misbehave. You don't know. Person where don't they misbehave, where not they responsible, you go don't still know. I dey respect myself. I want make person still they respect me. I dey respect people. You understand? No, just come out, I'll come they curse you up because maybe you do something for page, I'll just curse you. No. I'll first of all warn you. If you still say you not take, I'll block you because yet it a law. Do you understand? So suppose Mona don't know me now because I never see my face, but that one no matter. But wait till they talk now, you go tell no say this woman, yeah woman, this one. Now your opinion, but for me, people they where they look me say, Mama, you understand? So I go see they follow them. He say, who husband help? My own help me, oh. Me I just still follow na last month. My own help me, if your own not help you. Who husband help? Or more, what they call you? My own, he help me, Not talking or do you know you understand? I go show him one day, no worry. I go show him. I'll fair ask all my director. If they allow me, I go show him. My own husband, he help me. Not talking and say who husband help. Or my name, I started talking. Husband they help. Why you go talk say who husband help? Now because you never see the better one. May God give you better one. May God give you better one. If your house they sweet, is sugar, you don't even know whether Ebori Akasan for outside. Not true, So not talking my own just help me. I've not dead there since 20-something years. If you see better one, so not talk and say who husband help. Now because I say you never see the one way you go they sweet, you go they jolly, you go they enjoy yourself. If you see the one, you know say who husband help it deal. So remember, Abi, and so now. So now be that one. Some people they talk say who husband help or who wife help. Not be so. No, you never see the right one. Pray may God give you the right one if you never see. And not be person they marry go say na 30-something years then you care on you can marry. There is something there. Egbe oho ewa. I'm egbe ma oho or do ata where who husband help? I beg. If who not marry na good pass. Not be so. Egbe oho where egbe ekwo wavon where who's also way. So now be that one. My own just help me kakabo. So he do same and only do time where we help. Una too funny. Una una too funny oh. Me I leave una now, me we still dey go. Now because of say stay at home. Like cause all this one so. Even the Facebook don't catch fire. It don't catch fire. I go ask you know see my daughter don't come out. You know see I tell una say if my director say make I show, I go show. My director dey here oh. My director dey here. Well, too funny. Of course now. Hey, if I don't ask you, I go show like that. I know they do hook up. Yet we hook up uni lie. I go do one day. I go fair ask my director. You know, see my daughter don't show. My daughter don't show. That hook up of 18 people where they do and they make my because not be waiting easy, you understand? I know your job come and I can't tell and say if you want hook up, wanna come. No. You understand? I know if you do that one. Say me person come the who. I me believe say all this hook up of 18. Na problem na the cause. Because if you feel talk to a woman, why not? So if I may go talk to the one where still they single, not go talk to the one where get husband. Me husband not go finish you. You understand? So now be that one, my people. So now be that one, you understand? So hook up of 18, not be waiting day easy. Your husband must support you. You know, say all these people where you marry now, If I be single mother now, say I no get husband, I will bring myself come and say, okay, me we come they do hook up. But if your husband not support you and you marry, you know if you do that hook up of 18, it go cause quarrel between two of them, Now wait till I believe that one it go cause quarrel because you go to talk to this side, you go to talk to the other side, you want to call them up. If the something not come good, now so your phone go the ring for the other side. You understand now? I say, show your face, oh. I go show my face, oh. Me, I first talk to my directors. The menu, The menu. No, more not worry. As I talk to now, so now not like her. It's still good like this now. Maybe one day now go show. If I want show, I want me a show for Nigeria. I'll do live video for that side. Now I'll see me. I'll fair ask my directors there. The menu. I don't still greet to now for today. Don't tell where I come Facebook reach. Abi say make they go they use their mouth and they talk to a woman. Normally, all this hook up of 18, if you like her good, if you not like her, you know say problem they too much they day. So women now go tell you say I never born for us, and you now you the one person we never born. He go come tell you like me say even your name. I don't feel stress myself. He told him well because I can't tell you now say the woman where I give you and a single or my beer and you now you know one person where don't fair born. You don't tell me life for them. Me answer to ya agwa lototo here boy. I know if you go they look for and they go. I know if you do one. I know if you do one I make her. You understand? Because I don't need problem at all. What you come go say now that woman oh he tell me say the woman never born. Later now I can't know say the woman don't get 3 children for house. He me born, he me over. I not fit do hook up. I like me no way you want to see face. I go show now one day. No worry, now small. Now small. If everything don't dey okay, my children not like her. I felt tell now say I get grown up children now. They not like her. You not be everybody like all this nyama of 18 now. But I'll show one day. It don't be 2 years now where I did for that. I will show one day. Now no. If everything don't dey okay. So may I agree to now we don't still talk. When I don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, When I don't forget. When I see subscribe for there. One love my people. May I agree to now. Don't take today. I don't know say I know they take like that. He say Mona raise una. Okay, I mean, okay, people don't less for here now, eh? How many of una know? Really? Who want me to show my face? Mona just the right hand. Yes. Then I'll talk to my directors. If they say, okay, Mama, carry on, then I'll go. Okay, Abi. Una funny, una too funny. I love all of una, really. I really want me a show, really. I know they hide anything. Then una can't know the kind of person una where they talk to una. I even love myself. Me a show una say see the woman, So now can't know say how can I this woman? Okay, you know me. You know see, person say still know me for there. You will know me now there for social media. Ija. How you don't know me? I too love una, bro, my people. Really, I too love una. The day where I go show, Mona, no worry. I will just stay right and say, who want to see me? Maybe I will show for YouTube. I'll just turn and say, Mona, go there, or I'll show for Facebook. So, Mona for no say, see person way they talk. That's why I be, That's what my mind be. Thank you, my love. God bless you. Don't see my daughter did there. My daughter did there. I love you, people. May we be one, I be Bini over doing. I be Bini, I not be another one, and I'm so proud. Also, sometimes they use my Bini till they talk. So I love you all. I love you all. So Collis, you call me just now. I beg, may you not say I dey block where. So not they make yama. You know, say you talk one to say whether na me get social media. I not like that thing. You understand? I not block you, but I tell you, I warn you. I not like her. You know, say they like me and they respect people. Make people see they give out to me. You understand? You know, so many people never know the kind of person where I be. I be that kind of person where like I dey stay my lane. I want make you still stay your own. I dey give you respect, you still give me my own. You know, say some people they'll say that their opinion, they'll use and to insult you, which I not like. So you don't do for today now. I love una. I love una. I greet everybody. My daughter, one love. God bless you. Okay, now, una bye-bye. Una bye-bye. Una bye-bye. See you for my next time. I never know when. I know say I know they quit, they come out like that. But this one, I just do one because of the fight. If you see the video, if you see the fight, they cause themselves for there. The man and this one, the woman and this one. I say, okay, me, I just play the audio. The man are still listening. That make me bring a call today. So, una bye-bye now. I love una. Na bye. Watch out. Na bye. One love, Yes, so I go stay at home. And you too, and say Mota stay at home, One love to everybody. Mona stay at home, not be joke, Mona really stay, Na bye.